Hello friends, it's beta function part 2. I already uploaded beta function part 1. You can see it. After that, you obviously understand it. Part 2 easily, okay? So, it's our secondary formula beta function, and now I will prove this one, okay? And after that, I will prove this one, root pi equal to gamma half, okay? So, first part, I prove first part, this one. Okay, just consider this formula because this is the formula of our primary formula of beta function, okay, the main formula of beta function. Then let x equal to sine square theta and dx, obviously this one, 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. Just prove the value of x and dx here, okay. After that, you can see this one here, okay, and 2 is constant here and 2 just go this side and by 2, okay. You can see 2m minus 2, you can understand, and 2m minus 2, and here also is sine theta. For that sine, 2m minus 2 plus 1, that means 2m minus 1, and easily I prove it, okay. It's so simple. And now I am this one, okay. I will prove this one. See, let 2m minus 1 equal to p, consider just, and 2n minus 1 equal to q, okay. Then sine p theta cos q theta equal to half beta, and 2m minus 1 equal to p, that means m equal to p plus 1 by 2, and 2n minus 1 equal to q, 2n equal to q plus 1, n equal to q plus 1 by 2. It's a simple thing, okay. And just put here because beta m comma n formula what? Beta m comma n equal to gamma m into gamma n by gamma m plus n. This formula I already just discussed about it in my previous video, okay. You can see this one, and after that I put p equal to 0 and q equal to 0, okay. Just see 0 0 here, and 0 that means half, 0 that means half, 0 that means 2 by 2, that means 1, gamma 1 means 1, gamma half, and gamma half, that means gamma half whole square into half, and here 1 1 for d theta here, and just integrate part, d theta means theta, limit 0 to pi by 2, and these 2 here and this one, and after that you can see gamma half whole square equal to pi, because theta means pi by 2 minus 0, that means pi by 2 into 2, that means pi, that means gamma half equal to root pi. Easily prove it, okay. Let's see another part. You can see that, you can see question, okay. Question number 1, sine to the power 5 theta d theta means what, okay. Just apply this formula. Based on this formula, I solve all question, okay. Sine to the power 5 theta d theta means cos, that means cos to the power 0 theta, okay, because here no cos, okay. After that just apply this formula. Here p equal to what? 5, that means 5 plus 1 by 2, okay, that means 6 by 2, and like this one just put p and q value, p here 5 and q here 0, okay. After that easily can calculate it also, okay. You can see it actually I discussed about this gamma formula in my previous video of gamma function, okay. You can see it, okay. Sine to the power 7 theta cos to the power 3 theta, here p equal to 7 and q equal to 3, just apply this formula and easily can solve it, okay. Easily you can solve it, okay. After that it's just tricky. You can see 3 theta and 6 theta, but actually I want here 3 theta also, because sine theta, sine to the power p theta, and both are theta, but here 3 theta and 6 theta. So for that I just consider 3 theta equal to 2 t, okay. That means t, and d theta equal to dt by 3. After that just put here 3 theta just t, and d theta means that, and 6 theta means 2t, okay. after that sine 2 theta formula, we already know that sine 2 theta equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. Just apply this formula here and this square go here, okay, here, and it's just 2 square means 4, just constant here, and sine square, and because sine square t and cos to the power 4t cos square t, so cos to the power 6t dt. After that, actually I apply here this formula, okay, this one I applied again, because it comes correct form t, okay, it's not theta, okay, just this one, okay, and apply this formula. After that, easily calculate this one by based on this formula. Here p equal to 2 and q equal to 6, okay. After that, we will prove another formula, okay, we will use another formula. This is the another formula. This proof not required here, okay. You can see it's mainly for the minus gamma function. If there minus negative value in the gamma function, okay, this is a formula, okay. I have a question is find the value of this one, okay. Just put in the formula n equal to minus half in the value in the gamma function. This value just put here, okay, n equal to minus half here. Just put here minus half, 1 minus minus half means what? 1 plus half. After that, pi by sine minus pi by 2, because n equal to minus half into pi, that means minus pi by 2. After that, just calculate 3 by 2 pi by, we all know the value is minus 1, and after that this one comes here, and after that pi by this one, I just apply here gamma function formula, okay, minus half to half, okay. After that, you can easily minus 2 pi by, just it's remain here, okay, and this one means what? 3 by 2 minus 1, okay, just mean half. So half this minus here, so half here, and just put the same value here, half. After that, calculate 2 pi, this one comes here, 2 pi by this one, and just I already this answer, okay, here, okay, I get the answer. And this one, okay, just a question, this one equal to this one, okay, I have to prove it. This one value is this one, and 1 plus x to the power 4. So we consider that let x square equal to tan theta, that means dx equal to this one, okay, 2x means x means what? X means root tan theta, okay, just put here, okay, dx means just put this value, and 1 plus x to the power 4 means what? 1 by 1 plus tan square theta, okay, so limit here, and 1 plus tan square theta means sec square theta, okay, into sine to the power half theta by cos to the power half theta, because tan to the power half theta, tan theta means sine theta by cos theta. So just put here, it's very simple, just it's means cot theta, okay, root over cot theta, because it means just root over tan theta, that means root over cot theta here, okay. After that, you can also solve if question is you can question root over cot theta, you can also apply in this way, okay. So here this one comes up, okay, so sine cos to the power half theta by sine to the power half theta, that means sine to the power minus half theta cos to the power half theta, and again apply this formula, here p equal to what? P equal to minus 7, q equal to half. So just same formula apply here, please, okay. After that, we can easily find the value, okay. Just see this one, and here apply gamma function value, okay. Actually, I apply here this value will be very easy for it, like this one, this formula, okay, this one, okay. Just apply here, put n equal to half, first one apply here, okay, or the smaller one, okay. 1 by 4, just put here 1 by 4, and 1 minus, you can see 1 minus n, that means 1 minus what? 1 minus 1 by 4, that means ki 3 by 4. Okay, by sine. Okay, just here and just easily calculate 1 by 4, 3 by 4, easily calculate it. Okay, its value is 1 by root 2. Okay, you can easily find the value of this one. Okay, answer. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.